Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys, and in this video I will show you how to create this e-commerce website in under 5 minutes using WordPress step by step. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification about new videos which is uploaded every week. So now let us look at the website demo before diving into the tutorial. So here you can see at the top we have a header of our website, and then we have some tags over here which is outward gifts you can tag. Then we have this hero section, then we have over here different categories. Then here you can see that we have this feature product section, then we have a image and some heading and button. After that we have some different categories, and then at the last you can see we have a follow us Instagram and we have our footer. So now when you will go at the top here, you can see we have link to different pages. So let us now open these pages and let's see what we have in other pages. So in the next page, which is our about us page, again we have some brief description about our store with the heading of this about us. Next, in our my account page, here you can see that we have this login and register option where your customers or anyone can easily able to log in over here. In the next page, which is our product page, where we have different projects at the right, and on the left side we have these different filters option, like you can filter by size like size M, L, XL, or you can see different products over here in the left side. Next we have this contact us page, which is the last page, where in this we have the page title, and on the right side we have this contact form, and on the left side we have the store address, phone number and the email box. This website is also a responsive website. So here now let's start creating this website in 5 minutes. For this we need to first go to our WordPress dashboard login, and here you have to enter your WordPress admin username and password. Once you will enter your username and password, it will redirect you to the dashboard. Now let's hover over this appear plugins and click on this add new to add a new plugin. So we have to install a plugin. So in the search plugin, I am going to search for all-in-one migration. Once you will search for all-in-one migration, you will going to get one plugin over here which is named with all-in-one WP migration by ServeMask. You have to click on this install now. Once you will click on this install now button, it will get start installing, and once it will get installed, then we have to activate this plugin and we have to use it. So here you can see that the plugin get installed successfully. Now what I will do over here is I will click on this activate button to activate this plugin. Once this plugin will be activated, on the left side bar you will see we have one option with all-in-one WP migration. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this import option. Here you have to drag or drop, or you can import from the file. So what I am going to do, I will drag the file that I am going to import over here. So we also have a companion video for this website that is around 2 hours long, which will teach you to build this website from scratch without using the file. You can save your time to build the website using the template we showed you in this video. You can get this template from the link given in the description. So here you can see that we are getting one warning message of this PHP file, but it doesn't matter. You have to click on this proceed option, and once you will click on this proceed, you will see it will start preparing your all these files, and it will start restoring your files and database. Once it will get restored all the files, then you can see the website. For our existing course, please subscribe. There are 20 plus ready to use template created by our team available under template section on the course dashboard. Feel free to use any of them for your future projects and get your website ready in under 10 minutes by using this method. So here you can see our site is imported successfully. Now I will click on this finish option, and now let's visit the site and let's see whether we have got the exact site or not. So here you can see our website is completely imported, and now we can exactly get all the links and everything is working fine. Hope you like this video tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.